So guys, we are done with this look, and this is what your girl is looking like at the moment. I'm going to be giving a date night bold lips sultry look. I'm actually going out. So you can call this a get ready with me, but at the same time it's a makeup tutorial. So I went ahead to do my brows off camera because I'm really late. So if you want a tutorial on how I did my brows, I've already done a video up here, so do have to check that video if you want a tutorial on how I got my brows looking like this. So I'm going to go right ahead to apply my foundation. So by the way, I'm making use of my Newborn Beauty in my skin foundation. You guys should know that I'm in love with this foundation. I mean, from the review I did about it, if you haven't watched it, here's the review, so do have to watch it after you're done with this. Let me just get my foundation done. But I am done with my foundation. So I like to start my eyes because I tend to get excess eyeshadow down from my eye to my face. I try to ensure that it's blended properly so that I won't have creases on it, so it won't be hard to blend my eyeshadow. So after blending my eyelids, I'm going to go ahead with my setting powder to just set it so that it doesn't crease anymore and doesn't produce oil throughout the day. Some people use eye primer, but I don't know, that thing doesn't just work for me. But if you tend to get oily around your eyelids, then you should give that a shot. The eyeshadow I'm using today will be the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow. So I'll be using this shade here, these two shades actually, to create a transition look. So I'll be going with this shade, so I'm just going to create something here. I'm going to go in with brown or brownish black. It's more of black than brown actually. So I'm just using it to touch the edges of that crease. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go in my concealer to create my cut crease right now. So once you've done this, you won't wait for it to dry before you start blending it. So while it dries, I'm going to go ahead to start contouring my face and highlighting my face. My concealer is very light, so I do not like to be having flashbacks when I'm taking pictures done. So I like to just go for little, because little of it goes a long way. For a contour, we like to make use of an angled brush so that you can be very precise in where you want your contouring to be. I'm going to make use of my contour palette. Is the LA Girl contour palette. So once I take a bit of it, I like to dust it so that it won't be so much on my face, so I can easily control the quantity.
Another lazy afternoon, the clouds covered in gray.
So right now I'm going to blend my eye.
Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops step dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out.
Okay, so this is the color of brown that I'm going with. I'll be going with my eyeliner. So I'm using the matte Huda Beauty mesmerizing eyeliner.
When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic.
So now that that is done, If you need a tutorial on how I did my eyeliner, you can hit the link here. I've already done a very detailed tutorial on how to get your eyeliner looking like this. So once I was done with my eyeliner, I went ahead to blend the crease so that it just flows in with the eye makeup look basically. So now I'm going to go ahead to set my face, to bake my face with my Sasha setting powder.
Just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and take away inside. Oh, take today. Oh, dancing in the rain.
So while that sits on my face, I'm going to give it a bit of time for it to bake and settle into my face. I'm going to go ahead to contour my nose.
My rain boots, my favorite chiffon dress. I don't care today what the neighbors might say. Put on my rain boots, my favorite chiffon dress. I don't care today what the neighbors might say. 'Cause I could stay inside and type away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside.
So the aim is that I'm trying to just make that look just for my eyelids just come through my nose, so it looks very natural. I'm just trying to blend it. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go back into my setting powder and just highlight the other side of my nose.
Needed a breather for sure. Something so easy and pure. I'm not usually like this. I'm in my head, always serious.
So we're going to start dusting that up. I'm starting with this part that has the smallest portion.
Day drinking in the sun. Hours passing one by one. Got no worries, yeah, they're gone. In the moment, 'cause we're young. Not thinking about the past, not thinking about the future, not thinking about anything. Let's stay on this hill, day drinking for forever. This feeling's got the best of me. Yeah, I've been thinking too hard. Always trying to take things slow, but I don't wanna think anymore. I just want your kisses. I don't wanna date. Want someone to roll with, maybe for one day. Call me your girlfriend or call me a friend. Call me whatever you like, let's pretend. Just for this day, you can be my baby, maybe I can be your bae. Day drinking in the sun. Hours passing one by one. Got no worries, yeah, they're gone.
So after doing that, I'm going to go straight into my blush. I like to dab a bit of it on my arm
Thinking about the future, not
so that it won't be so much on my face.
stay on this hill, day drinking for forever. This feeling's got the best of me.
So now we are going directly into the lips. So before I start with the lips, I like to outline it. So I'm making use of a matte lipstick for this look. So you want to be careful because once it stays, it dries and it stays there for the longest period of time.
What you stressing about? Boy, don't stress me out.
So I'm trying to be careful because I'm using the outline as a guide to see where my lips end, because I do not want to go past where my lips end.
Words and mix them up, then acting like I'm shady. Boy, don't play me. Why you started fighting with me like I ain't your baby? Make me feel real anxious 'cause your attitude's been changing. You being a different you and I'm being the same me. Boy, that's crazy. I can't take no more of what you talking about. Please walk out.
This is how the bottom lip is looking like.
I don't wanna know what you're doing to me. We'll find out
So the thing with this lipstick is that once it comes onto your lips, it dries. So you have to actually be fast in what you're doing because it's hard for you to blend it once you're done applying it. So I'm going to go in with my highlighter. I like there's something about these red lips that it just gives you this buzz bit kind of vibe. So we're applying our highlighter, making sure everything is minimal so that the focus will be on our lips. So I'm going to apply a bit of that on my nose. Yes, so that should do. That should actually do. Let me see if I can apply some here. Okay, so guys, we are done with this look, and this is what your girl is looking like at the moment. If you love this look, let me know below in the comment section, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and turn on your bell notifications so that when I drop my next video you would be the first to get notified. So I actually have to go right now because I'm late. So the next time, guys, bye.